Okay, I finally got this Gorilla Tag plushie. It came in today, and let's unbox it in real life. Let's go. Yahoo! Alright, hey guys, here we are. So, this is the bag. Let's open it up. And here we are. You have the gorilla, and open up. Let's see what's else. Oh, the cupcake. 4-year anniversary cupcakes. And comes with the hat. As you can see right here, this is hat, and we have, and yeah, here's the Gorilla Tag 4-year anniversary plushie, the cupcake and the party hat. I'm pretty sure there's something else in here, and let's see, oh yeah, this is the other hat, the banana. And let's see what card we got. Let's put this off to the side. And we got the party hat monkey card, and with this, and with the sticker, and yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.